So do not skip this video, watch till the end, watch the video full to understand how you guys can fix this problem as well. So the first reason could be if your internet connection is slow, because if your internet connection is slow, then you're not going to be receiving your email. So make sure your internet connection is stable. And after checking your internet connection, the other thing you can do is go on your Gmail. After going on your Gmail, click on this button over here, scroll down until you see setting, and then click on setting. And after you click on setting, choose the appropriate email account, like whose email you're not receiving. Choose the Gmail account. Let me choose mine. Once you're here, scroll down and then click on sync Gmail over here. So my Gmail is already synced, but if your Gmail is not synced, then you can click on sync Gmail and sync your Gmail. After synchronizing your Gmail, if it still doesn't fixes it, then the other thing you can do is hold on your Gmail icon, click on app info. After clicking on app info, click on storage usage. And on storage usage, click on clear data and then click on clear. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the cache and data stored on your phone and reset all the Gmail setting. Then go back from here, go on permission. Make sure all your permission is turned on over here. So my permission is turned off, but make sure all of your permission is turned on. So after turning on all your permission, just close your phone or restart your phone once and log in back to your Gmail account, and this should fix your problem. So that's basically